Very, very good. Okay, do you have owies today?
Yes.
Where?
Here.
You have very bad owies. Let me look.
See, Mama.
Oh my
See,
goodness.
Mama.
What did you do?
See, Mama. I was running and jumping and then I fell on the ground.
You fell on the concrete? That is very bad. We will use up all of our medicine. Look at that. We will use
Sorry, Mama.
I know. We will use up all of our medicine just as you will. I will have to order new medicine. Will you come back tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay.
Pay medicine.
Samantha has to pay?
Yes.
Okay.
Medicine. Pay
She
medicine.
has to pay for her medicine?
Yes.
I think you're all right. Do you have any on your arm? Let us check it out. Let me see. Oh! Bad! Let me see. Yike, Ronnie!